most of you aren't struggling with ads. You're just feeding the algorithm garbage. If you're optimizing for clicks or cheap leads, you're literally training platforms to bring you the wrong people. That's why your pipeline is full, but your revenue isn't. Here's the fix. Stop optimizing for form fills. Start optimizing for actual outcomes. I'm talking qualified leads, booked calls, closed deals. That's first-party data. And it's the only data that matters now. When you send that data back into platforms like Google Ads or Meta Ads, everything changes. The algorithm stops chasing easy conversions and starts finding people who actually buy. But you can't do that without a CRM. Tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive let you feed real revenue data back into your campaigns. Now your ads aren't guessing anymore. They're learning from your best customers. That's how you fix lead quality. You don't need more leads. You need better audience signals.